Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Chairman ka High Level Committee Ubadairu usembut Menteri Rangba ka Jylla uba Preston Tensong henli kasngi ula Aiti ka Kaiphod syak Sorkar Jylla habai de ibat ka Metor. Habai keren betkin nong tok kubor hadin ba ula deban Aiti nakaliang uba Preston Tensong ula yutu ba ka komiti henli kasngi kala deban Aiti ka Kaiphod sya Menteri Rangba bat menta ka de ka kamram jong ka Sorkar bakan pej benia bin pa bin. Shushu ula ongru ba nakaliang gejong utrang ba ka Sorkar kan syong perkhat kloy habai de ibat kani. Nakaliang uba Preston ula yuturu ba nakaliang kejongki kela pendap ya ka kamram bat menta kela deban IT sya ka Sorkar.
Yes, we have already submitted the HLC report today to our Honorable Chief Minister. So let us see after submitting the report. Again, the next step is government will sit down, cabinet will sit down, and we will go point by point, line by line. So let us wait till the cabinet sits. Because right now I can't say anything because I'm the chairman of the high level committee. So I'm just informing you that we already completed our task and today we already submitted the report.
By when government is likely to sit for and discuss on this report?
That I can't say right now. Since we already submitted, as I said to you, let the cabinet, the Honorable Chief Minister will go through everything and then he will bring it to the cabinet.
Some of the recommendation.
If you can highlight some of the recommendations.
See, that can be done only when the cabinet discuss all the details. It is the duty of the government to brief or to detail all of you once the decision is taken. Because see, by convention, when we submit a report means what? We just submit a report. I have nothing to say anything. Then government will take detailed discussion on this, and ultimately when they take a decision, they will brief the press, and then we will come out in a proper manner how to inform the citizens of this.
Any time?
No, right now I can't say anything as I said because just tonight we submitted the report. We have already submitted the report, so now it is up to the government. So let the Chief Minister and let the officers study everything and then bring it to the cabinet. When that I can't say. But I would like to see that the discussion takes place at the earliest possible in the cabinet. Oh, instead of lightly, ya kata instead of lightly, ya kan ibat kayak questions kung bahaban kali na i president ni, i Dr. Karki insa ya tu ya pi kumakalo. Okay?